Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to draw a simple army tank, and this tank is going to be modeled off the Abrams tank. So we're going to start with the turret, which is the top part. So I'm going to come up here, I'm going to draw almost a square, and then we're going to come straight back here. This will be the back of the turret, come down like that. And we'll kind of angle it up a little bit like that, and this will just make this the little hatch so the guys crawl in. And then let's see, maybe we'll put some little embellishments there, and then we're going to go ahead and put these wire racks up here. I believe these are so they can add and stow extra gear. Then we'll come up here on the front and we're going to make the gun barrel, which is a long skinny rectangle like this. And then next is a shorter rectangle, it's a little bit wider. And then we'll continue up like that. So that's your gun barrel. And then we're going to come underneath here. No, wait, we'll come here. Let's do this first. Come here and we'll come straight across. This is going to be, I believe they call this the lower hole. Kind of make an angle like that. And we'll angle like that, and then we'll come straight across. If you had a ruler, you can make this really straight and sharp. We're going to come and add a couple of straight lines like this. I believe this is armor plating on the side of the tank. And then we're going to do this part. I think this is called the upper hole. And then we'll just shade in this part right here underneath the turret. So now for the tracks, which come down like this. We're just going to come straight across, and then in this tank there's a wheel here, and there's your track. So on these tracks you could fill them all black like this, or you could do individual little rectangles like the actual plates of the track, however you want to do it. And then we'll come back and we'll add these wheels, which I believe these are called bogey wheels. Try to fit 7 in here. I don't know if it's going to work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Almost. I kind of messed that one up. And then you can put another circle in the middle for the hub. And then this could be the rim. This marker's kind of too fat to be doing this, but you get the idea. I already messed that one up. And then we can come through here, kind of shade some of this in. Like that. And then since these wheels are actually underneath of this armor plating, you could come across like this and have this shadow over them. Gives it a little bit of depth to it. See how now it looks like it's underneath. And you could even come in here, just color this in a little bit. It adds a little bit more depth to these bogey wheels. So there's a simple tank, and then you could make it like it's some action lines, spitting up some dirt. So there's a really simple U.S. Army Abrams tank. And now I've got a green marker, so I'm just going to color this one green. I've seen pictures of tan ones, but I'm going to color this one green because I don't have a tan marker right now. And if you wanted to, you could actually camouflage this, which you could color it green and then go over on top of it with some brown, which maybe I'll try here real quick. So there's a green tank. Let me grab my brown marker. So if you wanted to add camo, you could kind of do some of these interesting little wavy type patterns. Just making some random shapes. I'm sure real camo has a pattern to it and a reason behind the shapes, but I'm just making some shapes up on the spot here. Guess we could camouflage the barrel too. And I guess since I've got the brown out, there you go. Abrams Army tank. Hey guys, hope you liked that video. Thanks for watching. If you did like it, go ahead and hit a like down there for me or subscribe. And if there's anything you would like to see me draw, just leave a comment and I'll get right to it and give you a shout out. Thank you very much. Have a good day.